Get the fuck off me, you dirty bitch. Ah! Darling! Ha, Bubba! Blum, 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 blum. Ryu, you have to come with me right now. Uh-huh. My dick just got soft. So what's going on? You should go in there. This fucking chud is cheating on me. I gotta go and cry. I'm so sorry. Ryu, why are you crying? Pookie. My boyfriend is cheating on me. I'll fucking kill that chud. Now I'm over here talking to my side bitch. Hey baby, I brought you some flowers. These fucking things smell like gooch. Now it's time to go wake up and get with my fucking side bitch because this chud can't have sex. I don't know. I gotta walk all stealthy like. Damn, my asshole hurts now. This fucking chud is talking to his side bitch again in my living room after we just fucked. Now I gotta get on my phone and do all stealthy shit. Ryu, are you coming with me? Yes, daddy. I saw your fucking chud with a girl. Uh-huh. Are you okay? Not really. We gotta go in the closet so we can fuck. Wait, why is he in here? What is he doing? How dare you? Pretty little liar, what you gonna say? Tell me that you love me lying to my face. I know you double-crossed me, boy, you're such a fake. You fucking fag. What a shame, guess my lover was a snake. You can get this snake. Pretty little liar, what you gonna say? Tell me that you love me, you're lying to my face. I know you double-crossed me, boy, you're such a fake. What a shame, guess my lover was a snake. Dramatic edit. Ah! That wasn't me. I hate you! Dramatic edit. Now I'm crying and looking sad. And that's all. Goodbye, chickens.